Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, the focus of today's video is going to be the seat which has been installed on my scooter. The thing is, as you can see, it has gotten a bit old and has tiny pores which helps water seep in, and then once it rains, you are going to look like you have peed your pants. So that's not really a great thing. Also contributing to that has been this seam over here, which has caused continuous seepage of water from this direction so it rain, and then that has caused trouble like this. Let me show it to you. See that? It's all rusted. Credit goes to seepage of water. However, on the rear side it's not really so. So the credit goes to obviously these pores, and that we have to get rid of. But along with that, what I'm going to do is, like, instead of having the metal plate which we have on this one, we are going to use the plastic plates which I scavenged from that scooter. So let's head to the Seatsmith shop and continue the job. सही हो गया फिनिश सही है
ट्रैक्टर सीट तो रखो ने ये सब सोफे के ठीक है लाइट नो बोला यहाँ ऊपर આવે છે
હા એના હારા ઓલા હતા જે હારા હતા
बहुत बढ़िया। So guys, here is the seat. It has a decent finish about it, and as you can see, there's hardly any joint, so there is no question of rainwater seeping in, and that has been made possible by that seat smith itself. It's very well integrated over here. It's basically stapled to the plastic base. As you can see, we have retained the old foam as it was in good condition. Two of the base rubber mounts, those were damaged, so we have substituted that with a similar looking, or for that matter similar spec rubber boots. So that's what we did. These 3 boots are the original one, so it's complete now. The remaining part, that is the rear part, has been stitched with a black portion, and that is going to be hidden, so not something to worry about. This is going to hide it this way, so we'll be placing it as soon as possible once it gets painted and finished off. So be it. I hope you guys really liked it. In the next video I'll be showing you guys that I have got all the parts painted, and also have detailed it a bit so that we could work on it better. So we'll be covering more on that later. Till the next time, stay tuned, build it, ride it.